What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in. Here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release May 14th. But before we get into the main attraction, wanted to just get a quick look at some more upcoming releases as well. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 6 Midnight Navy. These joints right here is supposed to be releasing, I believe, May 11th. If you want to pick these joints up, you can do so on fineline1721.com. They are shipping out right now ahead of the release date. Also, I have a full review live on the channel if you want to check that out. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Taking a look at the box, we have the white Air Jordan branding with the red Jumpman logo. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, black gem red white sail. Got the lift top box, white and green sticker right here in the back, black trash bag paper. Flip that back. Let's go ahead and get right into these shoes. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 11 Low 72 and 10. If you are a fan of the mid-cut 72 and 10, I see no reason that you shouldn't be a fan of these. I understand that they are low-cut 11s, but because this was basically just a mid-cut colorway and a very popular colorway, I might add, I see no reason that these joints should not be on your cop list because it's basically the same thing, just low cut. The 72 and 10 Jordan 11 was one of those retro 11s that just came with changes. But in my personal opinion, they came with actually upgrades to an already classic and great shoe. They replaced the mesh uppers with full leather. We have a leather tongue, thick black rope laces, black Jumpman Jordan branding with the red Jumpman logo, suede lace holders here, and suede right here on the heel around the ankle. Taking a look at the patent leather mud guard and toe box. As you know, the 72 and 10, it came with like that little shimmer or glitter like shine inside of it, and that same accent is placed on the low top as well. Going around to the heel of the shoe, we have the rubber Jumpman logo right here in red. Every Air Jordan Retro 11 should come rubberized or stitched in. This right here was a welcome addition to the Retro 11 because you didn't have to worry about it peeling off. 72 and 10 record stitched into the tab, inspired by the most historic season by the greatest player ever. Taking a look at the medial side here, we see the red and black carbon fiber print coming throughout the midsole, which leads us down to the bottom of the shoe. Have that milky white outsole, black herringbone traction on the heel and toe. These joints right here, super clean. I was a fan of the mid-top version, and I'm definitely a fan of these. These are definitely a go. If you are in agreement with me and you want to pick these joints up, you can head over to the website, fineline1721.com. They are shipping out ahead of the release dates. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.